That is the noise that astronauts heard coming from inside the troubled Boeing Starliner that's docked at the International Space Station.
Astronaut Butch Wilmore radioed mission control so that they could hear it, and now NASA says the pulsating sound has stopped.
NASA says they have found the problem. They say the feedback from the speaker was the result of an audio configuration. Between the space station and Starliner, the space station audio system is complex, allowing multiple spacecraft and modules to be interconnected, and it is common to experience noise and feedback.